I'll be talking about communism and its relation to the 19th century and the people involved with it. During the 19th century, communism appealed to the lower class because they liked that communism would give them economic equality as well as social equality. It appealed to the government because they could control everything in the factory. It inspired people to come together and force these communist ideas. The people wanted the government to control everything in order to remove the gap between the rich and the poor and eventually lead to the abolishment of social classes. The picture shows that a hand that's part of the government is equally distributing like money and giving everyone economic equality to all those people, and that shows the ideas of communism and its relation to the 19th century. During the Industrial Revolution, the lower class were getting less money than the higher class, and since they thought it was unfair during 1830 and later 1840, they revolted so that they can get economic equalities. These revolutions were known as the Revolution of 1830 and 1848. During those revolutions, they just wanted government to control and make sure everyone got equal amounts of money, and the ideas of communism were part of starting these revolutions. The picture shows the government handing all the workers equal money, and that's what communism strive for. The founders of communism include Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. They came together and wrote the Communist Manifesto, which summarizes all the communist beliefs. Those communist beliefs include the government controlling to remove the gap between rich and poor and give all the classes social and economic equality. The book also stated that there should be no ownership or no private ownership. The book helped make communism popular, and it soon led to people such as Stalin and Lenin to enforce communist ideas in Russia. On the top picture, it is Karl Marx, the middle is Friedrich Engels, and the bottom one is the Communist Manifesto with the communist symbol on the book.